Welcome back to so-called Adventures. Today we're in Newcastle at the iconic Quayside Market. Newcastle Quayside Market has been part of North East culture for as long as anyone can remember. Taking place every Sunday between 9 AM and 4 PM on the Newcastle Quayside, the outdoor market features independent traders from all over the region selling handcrafted goods and local products.
Whether you're looking for locally made gifts or simply browsing to soak up the atmosphere of the Quayside, the Quayside Market is a great day out for the whole family. Boasting a vibrant and varied showcase of quality goods and produce, you'll find everything from jewellery and accessories to artwork, clothing, toys and our favourite wax melts from the Scented Melt stall.
I think it's a good exercise.
If you fancy a bite to eat after perusing the stalls, there are also a number of different food trucks and produce stands where you can grab everything from cakes and sweet treats, homemade conserves, coffee and baked goods to take home.
Come rain or shine, the Newcastle Sunday Market is one tradition worth taking part in. Whether you're looking to get into the festive spirit of Christmas or enjoying the glorious sunshine on a summer's day, it's a fantastic place to visit all year round.
There's also a number of street artists and buskers to help create the warm, friendly atmosphere that the North East is known for, so you'll be fully immersed in the Geordie culture. The Quayside Sunday Market is also located to some of the Quayside's best bars and restaurants, including the Pitcher Piano and Bob Trollops.
As you explore, why not admire the stunning views of the River Tyne and its famous bridges?
Or stroll along to the Gateshead side to explore the Glasshouse International Centre for Music and Baltic Centre for Contemporary Art.
However, one of our favourite places to visit is Ice Cream for Pizza, offering an array of Brooklyn-inspired scrumptious pizzas and irresistible desserts. It's certainly a must when visiting the area.
You good? Yeah? DJs are good?
Oh yeah, baby.
As always, thanks for taking the time to watch and please hit that subscribe button.